I'm Lynzie Kent from Crazy Beautiful Weddings, and today I'm going to show you how to get the look for an art installation inspired wedding. This is a really easy and beautiful DIY. Take your sheet of Bristol board and you're going to hand draw some leaves. Once you're happy with your leaf shapes, you're going to cut them out. These leaf templates will be your templates for the entire project. So our templates are finished. We have a pseudo palm leaf, a monstera leaf, and something that just looks like an organic vine. We'll trace our templates onto the Bristol board we want to use in the wedding. Our next step is to cut them out. Once you're done cutting out the leaf, you're going to want to fold it right down the center to give the leaf some dimension and a spine. And that's really it. You just repeat this process over and over again on all the colors that you want to use for your installation. For Isabel and Gary's wedding, we hung all the leaves vertically and just affixed them together to create a massive curtain of paper leaves. And that created the installation for their grand entrance. This is a really easy DIY, and I'd love to see how you use your paper leaves in your wedding. For more wedding inspiration, go to bemakeful.com.